name is Daryl, and I am thankful for my mom and dad. My partner's name is Arbor, and he's thankful for football.
My name is Quinn, and I'm thankful for my dog and my family. My partner's name is Roman, and he's thankful for fish. My partner's name is Evan, and he's thankful for his video games. My name is Jason, and I'm thankful for my family. My partner's name is Jake, for food. My name is Amelia, and I'm thankful for my family. My partner's name is Matthew, and he's thankful for his animals. My name is Milo, and I am thankful for my goldfish in the tank. My partner is Vivian, and she is thankful for her house and her mom and dad. My name is Kaden, and I'm thankful for my mom letting me go to my pool. And my partner's name is Amir, and she's thankful for her soccer in the world. My name is Yasin, and I am thankful for animals. My partner's name is Jacob, and he is thankful for his pet cat. My name is Anvita, and I am thankful for my brother Arnav. My fifth grade buddy is named Lilybeth, and she is thankful for her reading buddy. My name is Lucas, and I am thankful for my fifth grade buddy Matthew and Emily. Emily is thankful for art and me. Matthew is thankful for his kindergarten buddy.